Hey everyone, you can watch my videos in your first language now. Click the settings button, audio track, and select a language of your choice. Like Portuguese.
E é detalhado sobre o vídeo do Istabor, curar niveles e outras funções.
15% logo ne hi mere channel ko subscribe.
Di video kali ini, saya akan menunjukkan cara mengatur.
皆さん、こんにちは。このビデオでは、スタトックの設定方法。
You'll find other options too, like French, German, Italian, and Polish. So enjoy! Discord is giving away 800 orbs. The first is a puzzle quest, and that alone is giving you 700 orbs. But I don't know if it works on phone though. But anyway, I'll give you a full walkthrough. It's a fun puzzle. So the first step is to find the 3 items, a saw, a chisel, and gimlet tool. After finding it, go to the working desk. You will find a blank wood. You have to use these 3 tools to carve out the wood. They will tell you shape, so don't worry. You have to use the saw to trim the sides, use the gimlet tool to drill holes into the wood, and use the chisel to trim the parts inside the design. Now click the rotate icon above to rotate the wood, so you can trim its top part with a saw. And there we have it. Click the check icon when you are done. Now you gotta do this 3 times to complete the quest. I will speed this up, so you can enjoy the time lapse. And we have completed everything. Now you can just click out and claim your 700 orbs. But before claiming it, the same movie Odyssey is also giving away 200 additional orbs for watching their trailer, so watch that first. Now you can claim 800 orbs together at the same time. Anyway, you will find all the orbs links in this video's description. So make sure to open this video. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you. If you like the video, hit the like and subscribe button.